How to find your username and Facebook link. To do that, first of all, make sure that you have installed the current version of Facebook on your phone. To do that, you can simply go on the Play Store, search for Facebook and install it. If you have it already installed, then you can just update it simply by going on Play Store and click on the update option. And after you have done that, now you can normally go on your Facebook. After you go on your Facebook, you can see on the left side there is your profile given. And when you tap on this, you will now see an interface like this. And after this, you should just click on the 3 horizontal buttons given at your phone. And when you tap on it and scroll down and down, you will see on the last option there is your profile link. And when you copy your profile link and paste it, the last 4 digits given is your username. So this is how you do this. I hope you like our video. If you like the video, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.